Having trouble using the avatar option during Messenger video calls on your Android phone? This might happen because of app updates, device compatibility, or even regional restrictions. Don't worry, here's how you can fix it step by step and turn the feature back on. Solution 1. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger in the search bar. Tap Update if an update is available. If there is no update, then restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Enable avatars in settings. Open the Messenger app. Tap the 3-line icons from the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Avatar. Now tap Avatar Settings. Now select Friends or Everyone to activate. Solution 3. Clear Cache. Android only. Go to your apps menu. Locate and select Messenger from the list. Tap and hold the apps. Tap I option. Scroll down. Tap Storage and Cache and then choose Clear Cache. Relaunch the app and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Reinstall Messenger. Uninstall the Messenger app from your device. Download it again from the Google Play Store or App Store. Log back into your account and test the avatar option during a video call. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the issue and use the avatar feature during Messenger video calls. If you need any more help, feel free to drop a comment.